Arvin, pakiramdam, dala mo Northport sa semifinals.
Sobrang saya. Hindi ko na-explain yung nararamdaman ko eh. Kasi nag-semis nga kami pero hindi pa naman tapos eh. So I'm happy with this win. Ngayon mag-semis kami pero hindi, job's not done. Sabi nga. Delicate import namin. So I guess we can celebrate for few days siguro. Waiting kami kung sino nakakatapat namin. But definitely a very proud moment or proud win kami dito. Super proud ako sa mga teammates ko. The hard work and yung dedication namin na ginawa before mag-start yung contest. Ito yung naging resulta. But it's not done yet. May semis and finals pa. I mean, sana makalusot kami sa semis. But yeah, definitely super proud of my teammates and happy with this game.
I've been the way you came back in the third quarter and munti ka na, yung na-hold niyo yung lead niyo in the end. Ano kalaking bagay yun as you face either Ginebra or Meralco sa semis?
Well, yeah, tamba kami nung first half eh. Pero we still believe. Hindi kami nawala ng ng gana kasi tambak kami. But everyone is parang aggressive. They still believe na kaya. First half pa lang, may second half pa. And yun, nung second half, maganda yung naging run namin, especially nung start eh. Grabe yung energy namin. And that's because everyone in the dugout ng halftime believe na kaya namin. We still can win the game. And yun lang ang reward. Meralco or Ginebra yung kalaban. But we have 2 weeks of preparation kasi may yung feedback. So we have time. We prepare for the semi-finals. Kahit sino naman siguro kalaban namin, malakas pareho yun. But we'll be ready.
Specifically, parang defense din kasi Philippines yung dalawang kalaban yung either.
Exactly.
For you personally, paano mo maganda na talaga parang check ka na talaga?
Well, that's why 5 yung naglalaro dun. If they really focus on me, I still have four teammates that are playing with me. So I just have to really recognize that yung defense, yung binibigay sa akin. I cannot force things kasi unfair naman sa, first of all, makapangit yung maging kalaban yung laro namin. So I have to really reward everyone. They're really focusing on me. May apat tao kasama, so I trust them.
Arvin, by Northport making the semis, it also increases your chances na dun sa first PPC if ever, masasabi dun sa award na yung possibility of winning that?
Yeah, I guess it's a big reward, big bonus for me. If ever I win that, I'm really focused on winning more or getting into the finals. Parang I'm looking at that. Hindi ko na iniisip kasi parang magandang recognition yun pero parang for me deserve din ng teammates ko yun if I can share it with them, can get pieces of that award. And if ever I win, I'm not saying if ever I win that, everyone in my team deserves that.
Pwede ko sa ba yung bonding with your teammates? Bakit ka namin ni Coach kasi na players meeting ko, even in the past, discussions with your teammates?
Kami, dikit kami lahat. Di ba? Walang naiiwan sa amin. Yun din yung maganda yung chemistry namin. Off the court ang the best. You know? Ang makukulit din kasi ng mga teammates ko eh. Tapos si Kadimpa is isa rin yun, kulit din eh. So hindi siya hiwalay sa amin eh. Alam niyo yun, hindi porket import siya, parang he thinks is above everyone. Siya, trauma namin siya. Actually siya pa nga yung nangungulit eh, madalas siya. And he gathers everyone, when he talks a lot, madaldal din eh. Tapos, yeah. Yung mga young guys namin, who were once young guys, nagkaka-experience na. So, maganda. We're solid team. On and off the court.
I think yung last series mo yata sa inyo.
Last series ko 2022 pa. Before ako mag-trade. Yan, 3 years ago. This is a good opportunity for me. Lead again to my teammates. Hopefully, kung finals kami, wala namang masawa mga harap eh. And, yeah. Tara, 2 years ago. 3 years ago. Governors Cup yun. Governors yun, panalo kami yun. Justin.
Kung sakali, Inebra makakalaban.
Exciting. Siyempre, playing against Ginebra, mga kumpare ko ng mga players dun eh. So it's always fun and exciting time for me going up against them kasi siyempre may pinagsamahan din kami. For how many years, araw-araw sa amin. And if ever sila, it's gonna be an exciting series. But we're still focused on that goal na the next step naman ngayon is to get into the final. It's a long series, best of 7. So, maraming chances.
I've been taking.
Yeah,